Chris Barron with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group here at my latest listing, Unit 9, 3025 Royston Road in the flats in beautiful Cumberland, BC. This is a purpose-built on-site manufactured home. It's absolutely beautiful inside. Let's go check it out.